Friends, Brian Tracy often says that people frequently ask him, what are the habits of successful people? What are the things successful people consistently do on a daily basis that place them in the top 20% of earners in society? Brian says, 95% of everything you do is a result of your habits. So the rule is adopt good habits and make them your master instead of letting bad habits take control of you. The real truth is forming good habits is difficult, but living with them is easy. On the other hand, forming bad habits is easy, but living with them is very difficult. When we study human psychology, we learn that all habits are learned. And if something can be learned, it can also be unlearned. In fact, you don't truly forget a habit, you simply replace a bad habit with a better, stronger, more effective habit. So how can we build good habits? The answer is through repetition. By repeating good actions again and again, they become habits. Friends, nearly everything you do from the moment you wake up is a part of your habit. So now ask yourself, what is the best possible habit you could adopt today? Today, I'll share with you some powerful habits from Brian Tracy's book, $1 Million Habits, which can transform your life if you apply them consistently. Habit 1, set daily goals. When you go to sleep at night, think about your goals for the next day. Make a list of small daily objectives. Keep a journal and write down your goals regularly. While driving or having conversations, continue thinking about those goals, because you become what you think about most of the time. You achieve what you think about most of the time. Habit 2, focus on results. Successful people always think about which task is most important right now, the one that can bring the best possible results. At the beginning of the day, they make a to-do list and prioritize their tasks. Here's a powerful technique. Look at your list and ask yourself, if I had to leave for a month and could only complete one thing from this list, which one would it be? Circle that task and do it first, without distraction, until it's completely done. This simple method has lifted countless people from poverty to prosperity. Habit 3, be people-oriented. Remember, whatever you achieve in life, you'll do it with the help and cooperation of others. So always ask, what do other people want from me? How can I help them so they will want to help me too? In both personal and professional relationships, successful people focus on the most important people in their lives. Habit 4, focus on your health. Think more about your health. Eat less, eat better. Exercise daily and rest well. In today's competitive world, energy is essential, and energy comes from proper nutrition, exercise, and rest. Habit 5, character and integrity. Always speak the truth no matter the cost. Integrity is one of the most important habits. Habit 6, self-discipline. Self-discipline is the foundation of all other habits. The best definition of self-discipline is forcing yourself to do what you should do when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. Anyone can do something when they feel like it, but real discipline means doing it even when you don't feel like it. Now ask yourself, what is one habit I can start today that will help me achieve my biggest goals? Pick that habit and start practicing it every single day. Keep doing it until it becomes a part of your personality. And finally, learn something new every day. Think something new. Do something new.